Okay, now let's unpack my recent shopping from DentalKart. So, first one is HMD Unilock syringe 5 ml 26 gauge and 1.5 inch. Second one is Circumate Endo Aspirator. It's very helpful during RCT procedures. Okay, the next is Prime Dental Biofilm X. Next one is Cortisan Micro Applicators. These are ultra fine black in color. Okay, the next one is D-Tech Dental Edge Etching Gel. It is a dropper pack. The next one is Sabre Half Circle Cutting Surgical Suture Needle, size 15 and having pack of 6. Next one is Money Finger Spreader 21 size and 15 to 40 size, assorted. Then Walden Bioactive Gatta Pacha Points 2% size 25. Next is Meta Gatta Pacha Points 2% size 25. Okay, next is Super Endo Endodontic Burr Kit. It is very helpful during access cavity preparation. Okay, next is Safe Endo Smart Preparation EDTA Gel 5 ml syringe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video.